my subscribers asked me to do a sound comparison of my 12-volt air conditioner running against maybe a different air conditioner. Well, I only have the 12-volt. I can't do a comparison here at the house. But what I did was I set up my little generator here. So that's what my generator sounds like. It's a Win 2000, and it's a pretty quiet little generator. It's a 2,000 watt. It's pretty quiet. I have my RV set to be pulling 15 amps right now, which it means that's maxed out as much as that little generator will handle right now. If I put too much more, it'll shut down. But this is the air conditioner off. I have the 12-volt AC on the roof and a generator running. So now I'm going to turn on my air conditioner. So I'm going to come inside here and I go to climate. I hit cool at 73 in here right now. I'll set it down to 69. Or yes, I'll do 60. 67. That'll give me 100% of my fan. And there's the fan kicking in right now, and the compressor just kicked in. So that's how noisy it is in here. It's not bad at all. I have a Rode microphone that picks up a lot of noise, so very sensitive. But there's the air conditioner running. And now we'll go outside. Okay, there's the generator running, and the air conditioner's running too. So I'm just going to turn off the generator. Okay. So that there is the sound of the air conditioner makes. Oh, I can't get up there to get a better shot of it. That's a rear-facing fan. That's what people hear. So that's the air conditioner running. And if I throw a generator on the mix, this is just gonna, I'm not hooking it up, but that's in quiet mode. You have the eco mode. So that's full speed generator running. It's not plugged in, but it doesn't make any difference having it on full speed. And there's the air conditioner. Just the air conditioner. Let's see. Okay, so there it is. Some people, they say that 12-volt air conditioner is loud on the outside. It's a little noisy, but so is a regular 120-volt air conditioner. If I walk away from it. Okay, there's a guy working a backhoe up the street. And there's the air conditioner running. So what do you hear? Air conditioner or backup? It's just a fan up there running. So let me know what you think. Do you think it's loud, or do you think it's tolerable, or quiet, or give me your thoughts. Let me know. Thanks for watching and take care. Bye.